Did you know that garlic, a common ingredient in our kitchens, could actually be harmful to certain individuals? Yes, you heard that right. Despite its widespread use and numerous health benefits, garlic isn't always the go-to remedy for everyone. It's a bold claim, we know, especially considering garlic's reputation as a natural health booster. Garlic has been praised for its ability to do everything from lowering blood pressure to fighting off colds. But just like any other food or supplement, it's not universally beneficial. Certain health conditions can actually be exacerbated by the consumption of garlic. Now, you might be scratching your head wondering how this can be. How can something as natural and common as garlic have a downside? But the truth is, even natural foods can have side effects and interact negatively with certain health conditions. If you're curious to know more, stay tuned as we uncover the health conditions negatively affected by garlic. As surprising as it seems, there's a dark side to the health benefits of garlic. Yes, you heard it right. Garlic, the culinary gem that's been celebrated for its medicinal properties for centuries, isn't always the hero of the story. Let's take a step back and talk about why we love garlic in the first place. It's not just for the punch of flavor it adds to our meals. Garlic is known for its potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help combat harmful free radicals in our bodies, promoting overall health. Garlic also has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, making it a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. However, like anything in life, too much of a good thing can lead to complications. And garlic is no exception. Excessive consumption of garlic can lead to a host of problems. It can cause bad breath and body odor, which, while not medically serious, can be socially embarrassing. On a more serious note, it can cause digestive problems, heartburn, and even diarrhea. The key, as with most things, is moderation. Consuming garlic in moderate amounts can provide health benefits without causing unwanted side effects. But what is moderate for one person might be excessive for another. We are all unique, and our bodies react differently to different foods. What's more, individual health conditions play a significant role in determining how our bodies respond to garlic. For some people, garlic can cause problems even in small amounts. For others, it might take larger quantities to trigger a negative reaction. Understanding your body and its unique needs is crucial in determining how much garlic is right for you, and let's not forget about potential interactions with medications. Garlic can interfere with certain drugs, including blood thinners and HIV medications. So if you're on medication, it's important to talk to your doctor before incorporating garlic into your diet. Now, let's delve into the specific health conditions that can be negatively affected by garlic consumption. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your body and the foods you consume, the better you can make informed decisions about your health. First off, garlic can interfere with certain blood disorders. Delving into the details, garlic, known for its health benefits, also has antiplatelet properties. This means it can prevent your blood cells from sticking together and forming clots. But while this might be beneficial to some, for others, it could pose a serious health risk. Imagine having a condition like hemophilia, a disorder that prevents your blood from clotting properly. If you were to consume large amounts of garlic, it could potentially exacerbate the issue, making your blood even less likely to clot. This could lead to excessive bleeding, even from a minor cut or scrape. The same caution applies to other clotting disorders. For instance, those who have von Willebrand disease, a condition that affects blood clotting, should also be mindful of their garlic consumption. So if you have a blood disorder, it's best to consult your doctor before adding more garlic to your diet. Next up, garlic can cause some serious discomfort if you have gastrointestinal issues. Let's delve into the nitty-gritty of this matter. Garlic, while it's a culinary superstar, isn't always a friend to our stomachs. It's known to be a common trigger for heartburn. You see, garlic, with its unique blend of compounds, can relax the lower esophageal sphincter. This tiny ring of muscle is designed to keep stomach acid where it belongs, in the stomach. But when garlic loosens this sphincter, acid can sneak back up into the esophagus, causing that all-too-familiar burning sensation. But heartburn isn't the only issue. Garlic may also cause general stomach upset in some people, especially if consumed in large quantities. It can stimulate the digestive system, leading to discomfort, bloating, or even nausea. Now, let's talk about a more serious concern: diarrhea. Garlic contains fructans. These are a type of carbohydrate that some people struggle to digest, leading to diarrhea and other unpleasant symptoms. This is particularly true for those with irritable bowel syndrome or other digestive conditions. In fact, garlic is considered a high FODMAP food. FODMAP stands for fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols, which are certain types of carbohydrates that are poorly absorbed in the small intestine and can trigger symptoms in people with IBS. And for those with GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, garlic can be a double whammy, aggravating both heartburn and IBS-like symptoms. So what does this mean for the garlic lovers among us? Well, moderation is key. And if you have a known digestive condition, it's best to consult with a healthcare provider about your diet. Remember, everyone is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding what's best for your individual health and well-being. So, if you're prone to digestive issues, you might want to reconsider that extra garlic in your meal. Did you know that garlic can interact with certain medications? That's right, the same humble garlic that's a staple in our kitchens can potentially meddle with the efficacy of some drugs. It's a fascinating, yet cautionary tale of how natural does not always mean harmless. Let's delve into this a bit further. One significant area of concern is garlic's interaction with blood thinners. Garlic is known for its blood-thinning properties, which is usually a good thing. However, when combined with blood-thinning medications like warfarin or aspirin, it can potentially amplify their effects. This could lead to an increased risk of bleeding, which is why it's so crucial to be aware of this potential interaction. Next on the list are HIV medications. Studies have suggested that garlic might decrease the effectiveness of these drugs. This could potentially lead to an increase in viral load, thereby hampering the very purpose of the medication. Now, we're not saying you should banish garlic from your diet if you're on these medications, but it's definitely something to bear in mind and discuss with your healthcare provider. Birth control pills also deserve a mention here. While the research is not as concrete, there have been suggestions that garlic supplements might impact the effectiveness of birth control pills. So, if you're on the pill and also taking garlic supplements, it's worth having a chat with your doctor about it. In essence, while garlic is a fantastic ingredient with a host of health benefits, it's not without its potential pitfalls. The key takeaway here is not to fear garlic, but to understand that it can interact with certain medications. This is why it's always important to discuss your diet, including your garlic intake, with your healthcare provider, particularly if you're on medication. Remember, knowledge is power. When you understand how food and medications can interact, you're better equipped to make informed decisions about your health. So, let's celebrate garlic for all its wonderful properties. But let's also be aware of its potential interactions. Always check with your healthcare provider before combining garlic with your medications. As we've seen, while garlic has many health benefits, it's not for everyone. Garlic, that humble bulb often found in our kitchens, is a veritable powerhouse of health benefits. It's been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, from boosting the immune system to warding off heart disease. But like anything in life, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. We've journeyed through the dark side of this potent bulb, shedding light on the potential risks it poses for certain health conditions. It's important to remember that while garlic is generally safe for most people, it can have adverse effects for those with specific health issues. For instance, we discussed the impact of garlic on blood disorders. Garlic, with its blood-thinning properties, can be detrimental for those with bleeding disorders or preparing for surgery. It's essential to be aware of this, especially if you're prone to heavy bleeding or planning a medical procedure. We also explored the relationship between garlic and gastrointestinal issues. While garlic can aid digestion and combat harmful bacteria, it can also cause discomfort for those with sensitive stomachs. If you're struggling with IBS or other digestive disorders, excessive garlic could exacerbate your symptoms. And let's not forget the potential interactions between garlic and certain medications. Garlic can interfere with drugs like insulin, blood thinners, and HIV medication, altering their effectiveness. It's crucial to consult with your doctor if you're taking any of these medications and considering a garlic-rich diet. This journey has taught us that while garlic can be a boon for many, it might be a bane for some. It's a reminder that what works for one may not work for all. Individual health conditions play a significant role in determining the effects of garlic on our bodies. Remember, when it comes to your health, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.